Hi dear friends, we have a product named Fairfix Motor. Fairfix Motor is a low-cost ceramic tile mortar. The benefits of using Fairfix Motor are: it is a pre-packed factory controlled, which ensures consistent quality. It has excellent adhesion and easy to use. Fairfix Motor is cost effective and excellent with waterproofing characteristics. It can also be used for fixing of acoustic and insulating board. Fairfix Motor is a tile adhesive for the permanent fixing of ceramic tiles. Fairfix Motor is a pre-packed cementitious low-cost tile adhesive which ensures excellent bond on concrete and plastered surfaces. The application of Fairfix Motor is as under. Fairfix Motor should be mixed with the water in the ratio of 3:1. That is, Fairfix Motor in the ratio of water by volume. Water can be reduced or increased slightly to get required consistency. A slow speed drill attached with a suitable mixing paddle is recommended. Hand mixing may be allowed if drill or paddle is not available. Fairfix Motor should spread on the substrate to form a thickness of 4 to 5 mm. Choose work area so that they can be tiled in adhesive. Open wet time 25 minutes at 30 degrees Celsius. Coverage is approximately 1 meter for 3 to 4 kg of Fairfix Motor depending on the thickness. Remove the excess adhesive with a damp cloth before material has set. Joint grouting may be commenced 24 hours after tiles have been laid. Fairfix Motor is available in 20 kg of woven bag with a coverage of 5 to 6 meters square with recommended thickness of 4 to 5 mm. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.